what's happening? This is BUUUUUCK'S Shop. We're working on a 2015 Ford Transit 350 XLT with a 3.7 liter two-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive, 4 wheels. And today we're working on brakes. So now remove two 15mm bolts for your caliper and your two 21mm bolts for your caliper hold down. Once you've done that, one of my tricks is to take a little bit of pressure off of the piston of the caliper itself so that the caliper can be removed from the bracket and the piston itself. Well, that was the easy part. Bracket slides off with all the hardware. That was the easy part. Now, a T50, a deep T50, needs to be used to access 6 torque bolts in the back side of the hub. That holds the entire hub assembly to the knuckle. I'll show you that next. Alright, so now you got 5 bolts that hold the hub to the rotor. Then you got 5 T50 Torx bolts holding the entire assembly to the knuckle. So what you need to do with the deep reach T50 is to put this inside of these access holes and loosen them up. Don't remove them completely, because the first thing I did was take a 13mm with the impact, and I loosened the 5 bolts. Then I used the deep reach T50 in the access holes to remove the actual assembly from the knuckle of the vehicle. Alright, so now we've got the whole assembly on the ground. You'd use the impact with the 13 to finish removing these 5 bolts. That's it. Of course, once you go to install it, you'd slide this right over the new brake rotor, like so. You'd take your 5 bolts with Loctite, of course, mount it to it, put this back up, catch these. Always inspect the area for any unusual conditions. Report them to the owner of the vehicle. Make sure you clean all the surfaces. Make sure you clean the face, both faces of the new rotor from the packing grease before your installation. And that's how to remove a front rotor on a 2015 Transit 350 XLT with the two-wheel drive front brake pads and rotors. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, like it, subscribe it. Stay tuned for more. BUUUUUUCK'S Shop, we're always at it.